An NBC 15 reality check. Tonight we can report the Mobile County District Attorney's Office is investigating the death of Lebrawn Rankin. When he died 2 years ago, Lebrawn weighed just 23 pounds, according to the medical examiner. He was 8 years old. Tonight, NBC 15's Rachel Wilkerson continues her investigation, asking what the justice system is doing with Lebrawn's case. Rachel?
Kim, the district attorney's office says the medical nature of the case has made it difficult, but they're dedicated to bringing Lebrawn justice.
This case is very disturbing.
The condition of 8-year-old Lebrawn Rankin disturbs Mobile County District Attorney Ashley Rich. The veteran prosecutor has tackled some tough cases, but Lebrawn is one that sticks with her.
When you're dealing with a child that suffered in the level of suffering that this child suffered, it's very, very difficult.
When detectives discovered Lebrawn dead on a mattress with no sheets and box spring in April of 2018, they noted that Lebrawn's ribs were showing. Also writing, the juvenile had visible sores on his body and face. The EMTs who transported Lebrawn's body wrote he was extremely emaciated, with all bony points clearly visible. Rich says the hospital notified her office about Lebrawn's condition.
When you have trained medical professionals who become just completely shocked at a case that they see in the hospital, and then they turn it over to law enforcement, we take that very seriously.
An autopsy report showed Lebrawn weighed just 23 pounds when he died April 6, 2018. Lebrawn's hospital records from 2010 show he weighed 15 pounds when he was a 7-month-old baby. He only weighed 8 more pounds when he died. The medical examiner determined Lebrawn died from cerebral palsy with malnutrition and dehydration. His manner of death is not listed as natural or a homicide on the autopsy report. Instead, it is listed as undetermined with the possibility of neglect.
We owe it to the community and we owe it to this child to make sure that this case is thoroughly investigated and bring criminal charges if that's what's warranted.
Mobile police officers who investigated Lebrawn's death wrote he appeared very malnourished, that his diaper looked like it hadn't been changed in some time, and that the apartment was in very poor living condition.
Why weren't criminal charges filed in the case?
Sometimes there's immediate evidence that you can say without a doubt we need to be charging somebody. And in this particular case, again, as I shared earlier, I'm not a medical doctor.
You know, I have to be very guarded in what I say at this point, but I think the facts will come out.
Staff members at Lebrawn's public special education school, Augusta Evans, told police they complained to the Department of Human Resources several times about Lebrawn's condition. In early February 2018, one report was made about Lebrawn's skin breakdown that was present and the loss of weight. Another employee told police they made a report to DHR because they believed he was not getting the proper care at home. DHR investigators did go to Lebrawn's home 11 days before he died, but did not find evidence of neglect. To this day, Lebrawn's death is still under investigation.
Why is this so important to fight for this kid? For so long, so many people reached out for help and help never showed up.
You know, we're trying to make that help come now. And we are very fortunate here in Mobile to have so many educators who do care and who do take the responsibility to report any type of abuse or issues that they see. And in this case, that's exactly what these teachers did for him. It unfortunately just came too late.
Chief Batiste echoing that message, but hoping comfort can soon be provided to those mourning, those who tried to be a voice when Lebrawn was voiceless.
Sometimes we just get there too late. We find out what we need to find out too late. And so in this particular case, Lebrawn lost his life. And it would be my prayer that that there would be closure for the people that engaged in trying to help in some kind of a way. And ultimately, Lebrawn's mother, if there is neglect on her part, she'll have to live with this for the rest of her life.
There is an active civil lawsuit filed by an attorney for Lebrawn's estate accusing his mother and DHR of negligence in Lebrawn's death. Lebrawn's mother told me over the phone she didn't do anything wrong and that she just wants her son to rest.
Rachel, those who were close to Lebrawn at his school tell you that they purchased his headstone.
And Kim, they cared so much about him that they wanted to provide that for him. We'll show you that Monday at 5.